Habit loops shape our daily lives. They consist of three parts. First, there is the cue. The cue triggers a behavior. Second is the routine itself. This is the action we take. Finally, there is the reward. The reward reinforces the habit. Our brains love predictability too. This makes habits very powerful. Want to learn more? Then like and follow for more. Cues can be anything really. A time, place, or emotion. Routines vary in complexity. That's true. Rewards provide satisfaction and pleasure. This completes the habit loop. Understand this to change habits. Break the cycle by changing cues. Replace bad routines too. You can choose better rewards. Focus on small, incremental changes. Over time, habits reshape us. Be mindful of your own habits.